Installing Wi-Fi and a mini split today. Stay tuned. Yep. All right, time to go. Nice. All right, what's up guys? Today we installed a Carrier mini split at a really nice house, and I was needing one of these types of installs. After the past couple of days, I've been in some dirty places. I needed this one. Really nice house. We actually took our shoes off. It was really nice, that nice, you know, those vibes. Anyways, we also connected the Carrier mini split to the customer's Wi-Fi, which not a lot of people do, but it's really simple, really simple. I'm not gonna show you on the customer's phone what we did in the app, but the way we did this is very self-explanatory. Stay tuned to find out. Right, this is not necessarily how to install a mini split. I don't show everything. There's a lot of things I don't show. I don't show torquing it down to the specs. I don't tell what the specs are. I don't really show how to wire it and do that. It's not really a how to install a mini split. This is how to connect it to Wi-Fi. If you've got a Carrier mini split, this is how you can do it. So, okay, I'm up here taking this line height off. We're gonna reuse it. Rerun the line set right in there. Should be pretty simple. Our communication wire is actually in the whip from our disconnect, so that's nice. Copper tubing for the drain in there. I'm gonna try and reuse it. This is how they put this on their previous installers. It's supposed to snap around the edge like that. Look, the whole way. Make its progress. We're loose. I put a zip tie on the drain so it doesn't fall. We're gonna reuse this hard pipe drain. That was stuck on there. Just about died right there. There's literally one zip tie I can't cut. I have to get a whole nother ladder out for it. Yep. All right, time to go. Okay, I got the old one removed. Just got to change this bracket, put it back on. Then it's gonna back itself off. Makes a perfect flare every time.
Release it?
Yep, it's kind of a two-hand on this. Yeah, there you go.
Bingo.
Boom.
Nailed it.
Boom. Yeah, it's a little awkward getting used to at first, but just like that, 2 line sets flared in under a minute.
Bingo.
Perfect. What?
Is that the drain there?
That's the drain, yeah. Okay, let's cut this. Jesus. Definitely almost died. It's okay. Yeah, it's a beautiful day out. Bleed some nitrogen. We're up here. This is the 190-degree turn we have, the only one. Okay. Take it back down a little bit. Yeah, like right there. Maybe I better zip tie that. Toss it. Do it.
Ready?
Nice. Nice. I'm taking this off my head though. I have to make my hat so tight just for it to stay on. But there you go. You get the point. Okay.
Bingo.
Perfect. Okay. Had to turn the breaker on, that helps. Comes with this book. Tells you exactly how to connect it to your phone and the Wi-Fi. So that's what we're gonna do next. Alright guys, obviously I'm not gonna show the customer's phone, but he created an account. Yeah, you have to get an app, it's called Carrier Climate. You download that app, it's on iPhone or Android, doesn't matter. Create an account and then you can connect it to your mini split. It's that simple. Alright, anyways, Evan's going to do that with the customer. While he's doing that, I got this almond silicone to match the house. I'm gonna clean up that line set hide. The original installers of the other one made way too big of a hole, so there's just, you can see a little bit, but I'm gonna make it look nice. This was like that before. I would have put a 90, but it's okay. Alright guys, that does it for this video. Just about everything can connect to Wi-Fi, including your mini splits. So anyways, if you like this video, make sure you like it actually on the video. And subscribe. We just blew past 400. Last video I said we were almost at 400. Now we're at 415 subscribers. You guys are amazing. I appreciate that. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Peace.